Haven't you heard? Toyotas never rust. Japan's the power bros. That's what the brothers say. A myth of reliability that people trust. It warms their souls until it fades away. But look, a rusty Napoleon cake. This rust bucket's already in the grave. Das beste oder nichts, a motto of the past, tossed aside and deleted from our days. Your shiny new machines, they're never built to last, as quality just fades into the haze. Are you a fool, they ask, buying that old Mercedes-Benz? Look at him, they cheer, full of holes after 40 years. They're chasing fashion with nothing but oats in their heads, running so fast, losing count of every step and their fears. You don't get it, friend, it's all about the EV. No smoke for you, let others breathe the grime. Hunting for a charger, that's your destiny. So drive for an hour and drink your coffee. I'm sick of all this junk, disposable and cheap. Even bands join the line, they're fast asleep. Where's the promise? Why the silence so deep? Trading the best for pennies, that's a mountain too steep. Just like a cake. Haven't you heard? Haven't you heard? Haven't you Haven't you heard? Haven't you heard? Asbestos.